Good day, panelists. My name is Janelle Conharyomi from Rojas Bilar, Bohol, a Teacher 1 applicant of Junior and Senior High School at Bilar National High School, Yanaya, Bilar, Bohol. My learning competencies for today's topic is all about classify sewing machine and lesson 1 and CPLM dressmaking. And here is my lesson plan for today's topic. In here are my learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to Number 1, determine the different types of sewing machine. Number 2, identify the different uses of sewing machine. Number 3, cite the importance of sewing machine. So allow me to take my demonstration for today's topic. Okay, may I request everyone to please rise for opening prayer. Amen. Please arrange your chairs and please settle down. Good morning, everyone. How is everybody doing? Are you all good? It's very good. But before that, let me check your attendance first. Please say here when I call your name. Ano Brazil, Apa Rufa May, and Bagolos Mary Crisel. So nobody's absent? Okay, very good. Anybody here who can give a short recap about the topic we had discussed yesterday? Yes, Lord May, about? Yes, sewing tools. What are those types of sewing tools? Yes, Anna Maris. We have the measuring tools. What else? Yes, Rufa May. We have the cutting tools. Another one. Yes, Samson, we have the marking tools. Very good, very attentive. That means you have learned the topic we had discussed yesterday. Okay, so this time I want you to take an observation about this picture. What can you say about these pictures? Okay, yes, Samson, about the stitches. What else? Yes, Anna Maris. Embroidery stitches. Okay, another one, another idea. Yes, Crisel. Yes, according to Crisel, it's stitches made by the sewing machine. So all of your answers are correct. Okay, moving on to the next activity, I will going to divide the class into 2 groups. So the first column will be the group 1 and the second column will be the group 2. All you have to do is arrange all the items inside these folders. I will be giving you 1 minute to finish your task. Okay, please choose your color group 1. Okay, group 1 will be this pink folder and group 2 will be this blue folder. Okay, are you ready, group 1 and group 2? Your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Please paste your items here on the board. Okay, we have here the work of group 1 and group 2. Okay, what you have observed about this picture you've made? Okay, group 1, it's all about sewing machine. Okay, what do you think will be our topic for today? Yes, group 2, about the types of sewing machines. Yes, very good. Our topic for today is all about types of sewing machines. Okay, everyone, our topic for today is all about types of sewing machines. So what is sewing machine? Yes, Jundi. Yes, according to Jundi, sewing machine is the machine used for sewing and fabric. Yes, very good. So, sewing machine is the machine used to sew fabric and materials together with thread. Well-selected sewing machine is essential for achieving good results. It should be used correctly in accordance with the job requirement. So we have here the types of sewing machines. First, we have the lock stitch sewing machine. This is usually used in homes and sometimes in school. This is also called domestic sewing machine. It is run by foot and may also be converted electric power machine. So next, we have the high-speed lock stitch sewing machine. This is sometimes called straight stitching machine or industrial sewing machine. It has automatic lubrication and is used by tailors and dressmakers. Okay, next we have the over-edging machine. Other companies call it a small machine. It finishes the raw edges of the pattern for construction. If you notice your school uniform, the raw edges of your school uniform, it was done by the over-edging machine. Next, we have the embroidery machine. This is used in making fancy stitches and in making different kinds of embroidery stitches on fabrics for the Barong Tagalog, pillowcases, linen, and other novelty items. Next, we have the buttonholer machine. This is used in making buttonholes on garments. So have you seen your uniform? If you can see the buttonhole, it was done by the buttonholer machine. Next, we have here the button attachment machine. This is used in attaching buttons to the garments. Okay, so if we have a buttonholer, we also have button attachment machine. Next, we have the double needle machine. This is used in the construction of different kinds of clothing, especially for the inseam, outseam, and side seam. We have the last one, the bar tacking machine. This is used in reinforcing the opening and closing of the pockets. If you really know, you have noticed your school uniform again, if you take a look of your pockets, it was done by the bar tacking machine. Okay, do you have questions? Clarification, violent reaction? Okay, none so far? Okay, let me see if you really participate during my discussion. All you have to do is guess the correct answer and name what kind of sewing machine is this. Okay, are you ready, group 1? Yes, how about the group 2? So we have the first picture. What do you think? What kind of sewing machine is this? Yes, group 1. We have lock stitch sewing machine. Are you sure? Yes. The answer is correct. We have the lock stitch sewing machine. The next we have this one. Yes, group 2. What do you think is the answer of this? Yes, we have the bar tacking sewing machine. Bar tacking sewing machine is the correct answer. We have the third one. Yes, group 1. What do you think is the answer? We have the double needle machine. Very good. We have the last one. Yes, group 2. Okay, what do you think is the answer of this? Yes, correct. We have the over edging machine. Okay, everyone, please listen up. What have you learned about our topic for today? What are the benefits and importance of sewing machine? Yes, Jundi. Yes, very good. According to Sir Jundi, the importance of sewing machine, it helps us to finish our work in less time. Okay, so we have here the importance of sewing machine. Number 1, a sewing machine helps you to sew faster and complete in less time. Number 2, gives you neater and more accurate stitches than hand sewing. Number 3, lets you use fancy stitches for decorative and complex projects. So number 4, helps you to sew heavy-duty fabric like denim and leather. So we have here na number 5, a sewing machine is great for the other crafts or projects. So do you have any questions? Yes, very good and so far. Okay, this time I want you to answer the self-check. Please get your test notebook and answer it directly. Okay, time is up. Please exchange your test notebook. So we have here the answer key of our short quiz. Okay, are you done? Please count the scores and please pass your test notebook here in front. So for your assignment, okay, in short bond paper, draw the lock stitch or domestic sewing machine and label each part. So any questions? Yes, done so far. So thank you everyone for listening. I hope that you enjoy our topic and let us call it a day. Goodbye everyone.